Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I want to share with you some ways in which you can use the little tiny bullet stickers in your planner. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, it's these little tiny stickers. These are the little bullet stickers. They usually come in a little section like this. There are sometimes pages full of these things. Case in point. Now, I love these things. I think they are fantastic, but if you're struggling to use them, let's look at some ways in which you can use them in your planner. So the first one is obvious, right? It's obvious. You can use it as a little list. You can use them as something that you can come in and you can check off your little list, whatever it is, that you have your thing, and you just come in and check it off. It can be in your sidebar, it can be in your monthly, it could be just in your daily, it could just be that it is your priority of the day and you just want to check it off, and that is your priority of the day. Lists, priority, like a focal point, if you like, on your planner. All right, so the second thing that you can do is you can cut those bullets in half. Now, does it take time? Yes. Does it save you money? Yes. I mostly do it because in the books, there's usually not enough of the color that I want to make a highlight or whatever of that day. So I just tend to cut them in half and then just put them in like this. If I do this, I do tend to use tweezers to do that with. I like these reverse grip ones. I will leave a link down below. It just makes it super easy to just pick them off the page. If I'm doing this, I will generally cut them on the paper, on the sticker paper, just because it makes it easier to then take them off and put them in my planner. But you can see I've done that here for all of my meal tracking. I love to do that in my wellness planner. Cutting them up, maybe you don't have enough of the right color that you need or something like that. Cut them up and use halves. If you're doing that in the sidebar, I would probably butt them up towards the edge of the page. That's just how I like to do it. But yes, cut them in half, even if just to make your money go further, if more than anything. The third way is to use them instead of, or as well as, numbers or letters or something like that. Because they're circles, they lend themselves well to doing things like an 8 or a 10, using them in the place of a 0. I mean, clearly that's not in the same color, but you know what I'm saying. In the place of a 0, in the place of an O, an A, or something like that. Like if you have something in a quote that is a circle, an O, an A, an E, anything like that, and you're just, or an exclamation mark even, if you want something on the bottom, maybe it's a big one, you want to draw attention to it, put one of the little bullets there just to fill in the space and make it a little bit more special, I guess, would be the thing to that. But yes, use it in the place of numbers and letters. And the fourth way is to create a patterned box. So if you want another decorative box or something, or you want to fill in space in your planner because you didn't use this particular day, you could use the bullets that came with the sticker sheet or whatever, or some coordinating colors, and make yourself a little pattern box. Just put them all into the box and voila, you are done. Fifth thing that you can do is you can use them to fill in some space. If you have a little space between your journaling and the bottom of the box, just put in some of the little doodads here and fill in the space. I did that there, and I did the same thing on this side and just filled in the little space with some matching bullets. The sixth way that you can use those bullets is you can just put them like confetti on your page, just to fill in the bits at the top, the bottom, in between the discs. You can just put them somewhere just as a nice decorative element. It can be in the sidebar, wherever you choose. I like it up here. It just adds something to the page and makes it kind of fun. So yes, use it as like a little sprinkle of confetti on your page. The seventh way that you can use the little bullets is to make yourself a little washi strip. Now, I've done it with the circles here. If you wanted to, you could go cut them in half for a little scalloped edge, and you have that on both sides. You could do 2 strips there, like top and bottom of your box. But yes, use it as kind of a little washi strip. And again, they're usually in the coordinating colors of the rest of the spread, so it kind of works, and you're just using the stickers, right? Use your stickers. All right, I think we're on number 8, and that is you can use them to redate your monthly. So if, like me, you are redating your monthly and you just come in with your whiteout and you white out your little dates, you could come in with your stickers. And again, these are the colored ones. That's fine. All you have to do is get your pen and then you're like, okay, this is the 9th. And you just come in and write in whatever date it is on there. If you've got a dark color of the bullet, then use a white pen or a metallic pen or something like that and use them to redate with. But otherwise, a marker pen, a Sharpie will work fine. Use them to redate. Works great on your monthly, but it also can work on your weeklies. You've just got a smaller number. And the 9th way that you can use those little bullets is you can use them as a little tracker in your sidebar. So I've just put workout and then tracked whether I've done my workout. Clearly I didn't here, but you can use them as a little tracker. If you don't have any trackers left in the color of the spread that you're doing, then use the little bullets. Just again, just like you did with the redating, just put the day of the week in here and you're good. If you want more things that you want to track in the sidebar, then you could do it this way and have the days of the week vertically and then whatever it is that you're tracking at the top, and then you just check them off just like this. Yes. All right, and as a bonus, because it's not exactly using the bullets themselves, but the bleed around the bullets, the little circle that's left over after you've taken the bullet off. And I've shared this before, but save that because you can use them to redate with. So that's all I did here. I had a sheet of like gold bullets and I took the bullets off. I had the sheet left. I've just cut them up and then put them in the little corners and then put the number in and then I can redate. And that's what I did here. You could also do the same thing as the to-do list in the sidebar, and then you've got the little circle that you can fill in and check off and stuff like that. So yes, save the bleed. Again, I will link the video on how I did that here, but yes, save the bleed because that comes in handy too. All right, I hope that helped give you, I think it was 9 and a bonus, so 10-ish ways on you can use those little bullets. If you enjoyed this, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.